spacecraft currently in great shape as it heads towards its final docking point on the Earth-facing side of the Harmony module. Controllers reporting all thruster pods, everything working as expected as it's on its final approach. And there we have the Dragon in range of the space station cameras. You can see it. Dragon spacecraft continuing to close in on that 10-meter capture point from the station. This is a view right down the barrel from the station's robotic arm, or Canaveral 2, which will be used by our two of our Expedition 34 crew members to reach out and grapple with Dragon once it arrives. You can get a really good look now at the grapple fixture on board the Dragon spacecraft right there. Canaveral 2 continuing to close, both vehicles, the station and the Dragon, in free drift right now. Robotic arm just 1 meter out now from capturing Dragon. Standing by for grapple confirmation, robotic arm finishing closing in. And capture is confirmed of this Dragon spacecraft. That capture time 4:31 a.m. Central Time, while the Dragon and the International Space Station were flying just over northern Ukraine, about 243 statute miles.
Station Houston on 2.
I'm here for you, Kathy. Go ahead.
And Kevin, we have 4 good RTLs, so the maneuver to RTL is complete. You are go for first stage capture. That's steps 1 through 4 in your procedure, and we can tell you that step 3, stable attitude control, is complete, and you can press through that one. And Station Houston on 2, we see a good second stage capture. You are go for A-bolts in step 6.
Okay, I saw the same. It's going to be on down to step 6. They're all at 11 degrees, so here I go.
Again, there you just heard it, a successful second stage capture confirmed at 7:56 a.m. Central Time, while the station was flying just about 253 statute miles over the Arabian Sea. That coming just about 3 hours and 25 minutes after the successful grapple of Dragon by the space station's Canada arm a little bit earlier this morning. So with that second stage capture, Dragon confirmed in place and docked to the International Space Station at the Harmony node. Here's a short clip from a little bit earlier this morning of the capture. That capture again occurring at about 4:31 a.m. Central Time, while the station was just 253 statute miles over Ukraine. The capture done successfully by Commander Kevin Ford and Flight Engineer Tom Marshburn. So with that successful grapple earlier and the successful berthing just completed now, the crew will have a number of tasks ahead of them as they look to outfit the vestibule, or the connecting space between the Dragon spacecraft and the International Space Station. They'll be outfitting that with a number of cables in preparation for the upcoming hatch opening. which, depending on whether or not the crew continues to work ahead of schedule, may happen as early as this evening, or if not today, in the early hours of their day tomorrow morning.